start this hairstyle, we're going to brush the hair through evenly, reducing tangles. Take some hair gel and apply a generous amount around the hairline to diminish flyaways in advance. We all know we don't want them. Next, we're going to take a comb and thoroughly comb back the hair into a ponytail. Please note, if your child has a fringe, it must be pulled back in this step. Noticing the hairband is the same colour as Cora's hair, we're going to take it and tie back the ponytail. We're going to use 2, just to be sure. Next, we're going to take that comb and smooth out the hair, assuring there's no major bumps or bubbles. Take some bobby pins and pin down any loose ends or short hairs your child may have. Next, we're going to take some hairspray and we're going to spray and set that perfect ponytail. Now, we're going to twist the ponytail and begin to wrap it around the hair ties. To make your bun beautiful and flat, ensure you insert the ripple bun pins just like this. We're going to attach the twisted ponytail to the head. Adding a hairnet, we're going to wrap and twist around the hair as shown, and watch your bun come together. We're going to take lots more ripple bun pins now to secure the bun. Lastly, we're going to finish the look with even more hairspray. When you're finished, your bun should look something like this. Happy hairspraying!